Alright guys, I haven't put a video up for a while, but frantic57744 come down the house this morning and challenged me to pick this Chubb and put it on camera. See it works fine with the key. It's a 6-pin. It's an American style keyway. I'm going to be using one of the Southwark hooks. There it is, picked. I'll go ahead and gut it. Just going to drop all the pins out the rekeying holes. Start with the first one. Oh, first two. Third one. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Just take the C-clamp off. Not having much luck with. There we go. Bear with me. I took a lock apart for a while. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Try and get a close up. So in the sixth spot there was a spool and a regular keeping. Fifth one was a spool and a serrated keeping. Fourth one was a spool and a regular keeping. The third one was a spool and a regular keeping. Second one was a regular and serrated keeping, and then in the first position was a spool and a serrated keeping. So thanks for watching. Rate the video, leave me comments, and a real big thank you to Frantic for the loan of the Chubb. Check out the guy's videos, real great picker.